everyone, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, I thought it would be fun to switch things up and shed some light on some shades. Yeah, definitely went pun. Now for the past 2 weeks, I've been going back and forth with a fun company called Technigadget. Now Technigadget is a men's apparel company. They provide watches, bracelets, and also sunglasses. And you guys know me, I do like my accessories. The thing I do like about Technigadget is they are a modern steampunk late 80s type style. And that's kind of right up my alley. And I was asking them, hey, maybe you guys can send me some shades. And so we went back and forth and I got a pair. Not too bad. Now, this is probably about a 7 or 8 on my style. Rides a little high on the nose, but the one thing that makes up for it is the cushion that goes for the nose. And another thing I like, they had a spring for the hinge here, so if you had a little bit bigger of a head, they fit. Now Technigadget's got about 4 to 5 different styles. They have aviators, a steampunk, they've got the classic, and a few more not to be mentioned. But other than that, they also provide watches, bracelets as well. And all in all, like I said, it's just a fun, nice little niche they got in the modern style market, right? Like I said, it's a steampunk, modern 80s. It's pretty fun. Like I said, go check it out. So for the guys over at Technigadget, thanks for reaching out. If you guys got a product or something that you guys want me to review, definitely go down, hit me up. I'm always on Instagram, love to chat with you. So like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!